Hey there tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Tech24, the ultimate destination for all things innovative and tech-savvy. Today, we're diving into the world of tiny homes with the Pure Grove Mobile Expandable Prefab House. This stylish and modern tiny home is the perfect solution for anyone looking to downsize or live a more minimalist lifestyle. With 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, kitchen, water heater, and a spacious 20 x 20 feet interior, this tiny home offers all the comforts of a traditional house in a compact and eco-friendly design. The Pure Grove Mobile Expandable Prefab House is not only sleek and stylish, but it's also built to last with high-quality materials and premium insulation, ensuring longevity and energy efficiency. Plus, with its large windows, you'll never have to compromise on natural light, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. But the best part? This tiny home is easy to assemble and incredibly portable, making it perfect for various living arrangements or on-the-go lifestyles. Whether you're looking for a backyard guest house, a weekend retreat, or a full-time living space, the Pure Grove Mobile Expandable Prefab House has you covered. So, if you're ready to take the leap into tiny home living, be sure to check out the link in the description below and make this modern and innovative tiny home your own. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech24 for more cutting-edge tech and innovation.